in the description box. So we move ahead. Now we are doing question number 5. X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 raised to the power 4. It is very simple question. Consider this expression as y, taking log of both the sides. Log y is equal to log x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 raised to the power 3 and x plus 5 raised to the power 4. A, B and C, as you can see, right? So we apply product rule which converts in summation. X plus 3 whole square plus log x plus 4 whole cube plus log x plus 5 raised to the power 4. Now log a raised to the power n gives you n log a. So in the same way 2 will get down 2 log x plus 3, 3 log x plus 4. Now your expression is simplified and it is ready to differentiate. dy by dx. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 2 log x plus 3 का derivative 1 upon x plus 3. Similarly 3 upon x plus 4 and similarly x plus 5. Here is your answer. Moving to next question, question number 6, which is quite important question. Look at the question. X plus 1 upon x raised to the power x plus x raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon x. It looks quite difficult, but it is not so. आपको थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखकर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. As we have discussed earlier in the last video, link is given in the description box. I told you just split this expression in two parts. Suppose this expression is equal to y. First part is u and second part is v. So y becomes u plus v, as this is u and this is v. Now you know that derivative has distributive property. If you differentiate both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Fine. Now as you have supposed u is equal to x plus 1 upon x to the power x, taking log of both the sides, log u is equal to log x plus 1 upon x raised to the power x. Now the property log a to the power n is equal to n log a will be applied here. So this x will come down. Log u is equal to x log x plus 1 upon x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, apply product rule, x log x plus 1 upon x is differentiated. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x and derivative of x plus 1 upon x again is written here. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Now log x plus 1 upon x as it is and differential of x is 1. Multiply u. U is x plus 1 upon x to the power x. Just simplify this function taking LCM x square plus 1 upon x. Function will reverse like that. X upon x square plus 1. Now let us simplify. This is x square. X square gets cancelled out. So you get x plus 1 upon x raised to the power x square minus 1, x square plus 1 plus log. Now this is du by dx. Now move further. Take v. V is equal to x raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon x. Taking log of both the sides. Log v is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x log x. Right? Differentiate both sides. 1 upon v dv by dx. Product of two functions 1 plus 1 upon x and log x. So 1 plus 1 upon x as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is. Derivative of 1 plus 1 upon x, differential of 1 is 0, 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Just simplify the function dv by dx is equal to v times, v is x raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon x. I am putting direct value x plus 1 upon x square. These both x are multiplied after taking LCM, and this is minus log x upon x square. Now you have what? du by dx as well as dv by dx. Say equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Putting the values of equation 2 and equation 3 in equation number 1, you will get dy by dx. Just put the values, you will get quite a long answer. X plus 1 upon x raised to the power x, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x, and dy by dx, dv by dx is x raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon x and x plus 1 upon x, x square minus log x upon x square. You can take LCM also. Here it is. Now moving to question number 7. Although it is very similar to question number 6, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में एल्जेब्रिक टाइप फंक्शन था, फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स एल्जेब्रिक था, पावर ऑफ एक्स भी एल्जेब्रिक है. जबकि यहाँ पर बेस हमारे पास लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन है, पावर एल्जेब्रिक है, यहाँ बेस एल्जेब्रिक है और पावर लॉगरिथमिक है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव चूजन दिस क्वेश्चन कि ये मैं आपको जरूर कराऊँ, नहीं तो मैं छुड़वा देती और हम आगे बढ़ते. एनीवे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में आपने दो फंक्शंस फिर से ले लिए u एंड v, मतलब एक बिग एक्सप्रेशन को दो छोटे एक्सप्रेशंस में ब्रेक कर दिया. आपको मैं बार बार रिकॉल कराऊं कि आप यहाँ पर लॉग नहीं ले सकते, बिकॉज यू नो दैट लॉग डज नॉट फॉलो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. लॉग a प्लस b इज नॉट इक्वल टू लॉग a प्लस लॉग b. जब भी हमारा एक्सप्रेशन सम ऑफ टू एक्सप्रेशंस होगा, एक बड़ा एक्सप्रेशन को जब हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, बीच में एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन का कोई भी साइन हो, तो हमें उसको अलग अलग फंक्शन में स्प्लिट करना होता है. y is equal to u plus v, this is u and this is v. डेरिवेटिव d upon dx ऑपरेटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव नेचर का है, अंदर चला जाएगा ब्रैकेट के, राइट. u was log x raised to the power x, so taking log of both the sides, log u is equal to log x raised to the power x, base and power. So it becomes x log x. Look at it. Log a raised to the power n is equal to n log a. n is x or a is log x. Just compare this property with this expression. Now apply product rule. x as it is log x. पहले इस log को differentiate करेंगे 1 upon log x. Then this log x will be differentiated. We are applying chain rule 1 upon x. Alright. Now log x as it is, differential of x is 1. Then du by dx is equal to u, x and x cancel out, 1 upon log x plus log x. Here you can put the value of u also. U is log x to the power x. So why don't we write log x? In your notebook, you write in the second step, right? Log x raised to the power x, 1 upon log x plus log x. Now, taking the second function, v is equal to x raised to the power log x. Taking log of both the sides. Log v, be careful. Log x raised to the power log x. Here, just compare with this property. X is a and log x is n. A and n. So n log x log a. Just compare. So log x into log x, it will become log x whole square, right? Now log v is equal to log x whole square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Log v will be equal to 1 upon v dv by dx, and log x whole square पहले आप पावर फार्मूला लगाएंगे 2 log x raised to the power 1 and differential of log x again, this is 1 upon x. dv by dx v times of 2 log x upon x. v is x raised to the power log x. 2 log x upon x. Suppose question number 1 is this is second, and this is third, right? Put from 2 and 3 in 1. dy by dx is equal to log x raised to the power x 1 upon log x plus log x plus x raised to the power log x and 2 log x upon x. Here is your answer. Moving to next question, question number 8, which is very similar to question number 6 and 7. Difference is that here we have trigonometric and inverse trigonometric expressions. Consider the expression as y u sin x raised to the power x and v sin inverse root x. अब मैं चाहती हूँ क्वेश्चन आप खुद कीजिए. इस एक्सप्रेशन में आपको जरूरत है लॉग लेने की, क्योंकि फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स एंड देन पावर इज अगेन फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. log u is equal to log sin x raised to the power x and move. And observe it carefully. v is equal to sin inverse root x, which is simple inverse trigonometric function. Differentiate with respect to x directly without taking any log. इसमें हमें कोई log नहीं लेना, ये कोई स्पेशल फंक्शन नहीं है. सिंपल हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. Sin inverse root x, you know differential of sin inverse is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and in place of x we write square root x, and under root x का differential दोबारा होगा. We are going to apply chain rule here, right? 1 upon square root of 1 minus square root x whole square and differential of root x again. That's how you can do it. Finish it yourself. Next question, question number 11. मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन स्किप किए 9th and 10th. Please do it yourself. Now consider this expression as y. Y is sum of 2 expressions u and v. u is equal to x cos x raised to the power x. Now observe it carefully. जो हमारा बेस है ये भी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 फंक्शंस है, सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है. log u is equal to x log x cos x, right? Now x cos x can be written as log x cos x, log x plus log cos x. This is property number 1. log ab is equal to log a plus log b. log u is equal to x log x plus x log cos x, और आप इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हैं x and ब्रैकेट में log x plus log cos x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 1 upon u du upon dx. Product of 2 functions. x आपने फर्स्ट फंक्शन सपोज किया. Differentiate second function. log x is 1 upon x and log cos x is 1 upon cos x, and cos x का डिफरेंशियल आपने दोबारा किया sin x, राइट? log x. अब आप log x और log cos x को डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करेंगे. सेकेंड एज इट इज. differential of first, this is 1. du upon dx is obtained in this way. Similarly, obtain the value of dv by dx. v is raised to the power 1 by x and complete this sum. Moving to the next question, question number 12. It is a slightly different question. X to the power y plus y raised to the power x is equal to 1. As you can see, this is implicit form. Y and x cannot be separated. अब तक जितनी प्रॉब्लम्स आपने की थी वो सब एक्सप्लिसिट फॉर्म थे. आपका जो फंक्शन था वो x की फॉर्म में था पूरा, यानी कि y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स की फॉर्म थी. आप उस क्वेश्चन को करते थे. इससे कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एज यूजुअल सपोज आप इसको फंक्शन को ब्रेक कीजिए. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि हम इसका दोनों साइड लॉग लेंगे, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं लॉग कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड on two functions, sum of two functions. log a plus b is not equal to log a plus log b. हम दोनों साइड का log नहीं लेंगे. हम फंक्शन को पहले स्प्लिट करेंगे. सपोज u is equal to x to the power y and v is equal to y raised to the power x. Now u plus v is equal to 1. आपका एक्सप्रेशन इस तरह से चेंज हो गया. अगर आप इसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं तो du अपॉन dx प्लस dv अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x इज 0, 1 इज कांस्टेंट. ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आपके पास है. u इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू द पावर y. आपका फर्क ये होगा कि इस एक्सप्रेशन में जब आप डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो आपको dy बाई dx कलेक्ट करना है जब आप वैल्यूज को इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में वापस पुट करेंगे. राइट, टेकिंग log ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स, log u is equal to y log x. Differentiate both sides. 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to y. Differential of log x is 1 upon x and log x as it is. Differential of y is dy by dx. So you can see du upon dx is equal to u y upon x plus log x and dy by dx. u is x to the power y, so you can write x to the power y here. Fine. du by dx is equation number 2. Now v is equal to y to the power x. Now taking v is equal to y to the power x, taking log of both the sides, log v is equal to x log y. log v का डिफरेंशियल 1 अपॉन v dv अपॉन dx. हमने दोनों साइड डिफरेंशिएट किया, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगा रहे हैं. x as it is, डिफरेंशियल ऑफ log y is 1 upon y and dy by dx plus log y as it is and differential of x is 1. So dv upon dx is equal to v times x upon y dy by dx plus log y, and v is equal to y raised to the power x. So we can write it as in next step y raised to the power x. This is equation number 2, 3. Now from 2 and 3 in 1, du by dx is x to the power y. We write here from 2 and 3 in 1. x to the power y upon x plus log x dy by dx. This is first expression, and second is y raised to the power x upon y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. Now collect the terms of dy by dx. First expand it, open the brackets, right? X raised to the power y upon x, and then x raised to the power y log x dy by dx plus y raised to the power x upon y dy by dx plus y raised to the power x log y is equal to 0. Collect the terms of dy by dx. Take dy by dx out and take rest of the terms on the other side. Find the value of dy by dx. On collecting the terms, take dy by dx out. X to the power y log x. And observe carefully, y raised to the power x into x upon y. क्यों ना हम y की टर्म्स कलेक्ट कर लें. यहाँ पर हमारे पास y raised to the power 1 है, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं y raised to the power x minus 1. एक्चुअली y raised to the power 1 हम ऊपर ले गए और हमने सेम बेस y पर x की दोनों पार्ट्स को कलेक्ट कर लिया. And take dy by dx out. In the same way, y x raised to the power y upon x raised to the power 1. So it becomes base is same, base x है, पावर y है, बेस x है, पावर 1 है, ऊपर ले जाएंगे y minus 1 बन गया, y x raised to the power y minus 1 and second term y raised to the power x log y as it is. हम जब इसको अदर साइड लेकर गए तो बाहर माइनस का साइन आ गया. देन dy by dx is equal to this expression upon this expression. This is our final answer. Question number 12. Next question, question number 13. Y raised to the power x is equal to x raised to the power y. Again implicit form, taking log of both the sides directly. यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या था, मैंने आपसे कहा टेकिंग लॉग ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स डायरेक्टली. आपको u और v सपोज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपने दोनों तरफ लॉग लेना है. लॉग y raised to the power x is equal to log x raised to the power y. So this expression becomes x log y is equal to y log x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, and you know very well x derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. You are applying product rule here. Plus log y, differential of x is 1, leave 1 y, differential of log x is 1 upon x plus log x and differential of y is dy by dx. And I leave rest of the work for you. Collect the terms of dy by dx and extra terms इकट्ठा कीजिए. Find the value of dy by dx. Moving to the next question, question number 15. X into y is equal to e raised to the power x minus y. Just to simplify this function, taking log of both the sides. Log xy is equal to log e raised to the power x minus y. This side becomes log x plus log y and this form x minus y log e. ये हमारा जनरल लॉग है और ऑब्वियसली ये फॉर द बेस e पर है. ये हमें मेंशन बार बार नहीं करना है और आप अच्छी तरह जानते हो log e फॉर द बेस e ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 1. तो ये हमारे पास 1 है. सो एक्सप्रेशन बिकम्स log x plus log y is equal to x minus y. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differential of log x is simple 1 upon x. Differential of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. Differential of x is 1 and y is dy by dx. Collect the terms of dy by dx and rest of the terms one side. Let us collect 1 upon y plus 1 dy by dx. What I have done, dy by dx एक साइड ले लिया और dy by dx पे कॉमन ले लिया. 1 minus 1 by x. Rest of the work you do. Check it out. Question number 16. fx is an expression like 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x raised to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 8. Product of 4 factors. So you are asked to find the value of f dash x, I mean derivative of this function, and f dash 1. What do you mean by f dash 1? इसका मतलब है आपने पहले इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है और जब आप फाइनल आंसर आपका आ जाएगा देन यू रिप्लेस x by 1. तो आप x को 1 से रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. वो f डैश 1 है। अब आपने डिफरेंशिएट करना है, फंक्शन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, टेकिंग लॉग ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स, देन log fx is equal to log of a, b, c, d. There are 4 functions which can be written as log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x raised to the power 4 plus log 1 plus x raised to the power 8. Right? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it becomes 1 upon fx. Log of something is 1 upon something. fx का differential दोबारा होगा. You can write it as d by dx of fx or f dash x or f prime x. Log 1 plus x 1 upon 1 plus x. Log 1 plus x square 1 upon 1 plus x square. और 1 plus x square को दोबारा डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे, चेन रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. चेन रूल हमने यहाँ भी अप्लाई किया है, यहाँ भी कर रहे हैं. 1 upon 1 plus x raised to the power 4 and 4x cube. 1 upon 1 plus x raised to the power 8 and 8x raised to the power 7. So f dash x, actually this expression is written like that, is equal to fx and this whole series. Right? Second part is f dash 1. So replace x by 1, you will get f dash 1. f1, what is the value of 1? When we put x is equal to 1 in this expression, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16, and then whole this series will become 1 upon 1 plus 1 as यहाँ हमारे पास लिखा था, ये सब सीरीज लिखी थी, जो मैंने नहीं लिखी आपके लिए छोड़ा है काम. 1 plus x 4 and 8x to the power 7 upon 1 plus x to the power 8. In this same way, 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 and 4 upon 1 plus 1 and 8 upon 1 plus 1. You are replacing x by 1 everywhere in the expression f dash x. Right? So that's all for today, and when we meet again we will do next exercise. Till then, bye bye.